We can include recipes that are vitamin-rich and high in fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They help keep blood sugar under control while still being tasty and giving the body a natural boost of energy. When the body doesn't produce enough insulin, blood sugar levels increase. That's because insulin is responsible for breaking down sugar and turning it into energy. The organ responsible for secreting insulin is a fragile organ responsible for maintaining a certain balance in the body. Sometimes it needs extra help to make up for any difficulties that may occur during its operation. Our eating habits influence this balance, and a poor diet, a sedentary lifestyle, and obesity affect the pancreas function. The increase in blood sugar can be treated with natural foods because it's a process that takes time and can be reversible. So for diabetics, maintaining a healthy diet is crucial. They need foods that are rich in nutrients and help regulate the pancreas. Here are 4 amazing smoothies for diabetics. 1. Strawberry and papaya vitamin smoothie. In addition to being delicious, this smoothie should be added to a diabetic diet because it contains enzymes that improves the function of the pancreas. Ingredients: 6 ripe strawberries, 3 slices of papaya, 1/2 cup water, 5 tablespoons natural yogurt. Preparation: blend the ingredients for 2 minutes until smooth. Drink this smoothie before or during breakfast. Make it a part of your breakfast routine 3 times during the week. 2. Spinach, cucumber and green apple smoothie. The antioxidants and fiber in this drink reduce glucose levels and combat both high cholesterol and high blood pressure. It's important to add it to your menu because it stimulates the elimination of toxins and controls the inflammation. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber, 6 leaves of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 glass of water. Preparation: wash the ingredients before placing them in the blender. Blend everything evenly and drink 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Tomato, parsley and olive oil vitamin mix. Adding this to your healthy diet has the ability to decrease the risk of diabetes and to control circulatory issues. Ingredients: 3 sprigs of parsley, 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 green apple, 1/2 glass of water, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Preparation: wash and cut the ingredients, then place them in the blender. Blend everything evenly and drink the vitamin on an empty stomach up to 3 times a week. 4. Kiwi, apple and spinach smoothie. This is an essential vitamin mix for diabetics. It improves digestion, relieves inflammation, and helps activate metabolic functions. Ingredients: 3 cups water, 4 ripe kiwis, 6 leaves of spinach, 2 green apples. Preparation: try to drink this vitamin 3 times a day, 2 to 3 times a week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.